Good morning. Hello, guys. This is Ushago Muranga Madhyoya Division Commercial Location. As you can see, the sun has already started shining. This is the napier grass. The napier grass. This is where we siaga the napier grass for the cows. Wow. This is an macadamia tree. Macadamia tree. That is the store. That is the guava tree. There is an avocado tree there. Another avocado tree over there. There are so many. There's so many trees. Wow. This is where we put the kuni, the firewood. That is where we wash our utensils. Wow. When going to the shamba, we carry this for the majani, for the tea leaves. It's a good environment. This is a small macadamia. You can see the guava tree has started flowering. The guava tree is so big, bigger than big. Bigger than big. Bigger than big. Now this is where we cut the napier grass. Hi, cow. Hi. How are you? How are you, Nee? Here is where we put the food. This is the water. Whoa! It wants to beat me. Don't beat me. This is the oil for Kamuale. Kamuale. Oh. Kamuale. Hello. Hello, cow. Hello, hello. Good morning. I hear you beat people. You beat my mom. Hmm? Hmm? This is where we milk. The milking station. It's here. It is here. Huh? And there are two cows. There are two cows. Big ones. Hey, I think you love fighting. Najisikia? You wanna beat me? See, kona hadi mattress. Ninalanga hapa kwa hii mattress yake. But it's pregnant. How many months are you pregnant? Huh? Huh? This is the mother. The mother, the girl. The mother to this beautiful girl who is pregnant. Pregnant. Wow. On a two. On a two. The bananas are so many. Right, left, and center. Hapa kuna tu stairs tutakwenda kwa nini? Kwa rabbits. Hello, hello. Rabbits. Good morning, Kalabit. Good morning. Good morning. You don't feel good. Wow. How are you? How is your friend? Good morning. Good morning. Yeah, the goats. Goat, goat. Goat, goat. How is the other friend? That one is a male. This is the female one. And their houses are high. Good morning. Wow, they look so calm. Now from here, you can see all over big shamba. Naona kama ndizi hapa. Ui. Huko juu ni kichaka for the firewood. Macadamia. We sell macadamia here. 1 kg at 60 bob. At 60 bob. Let me calm down. This should be for oceanary for the cows and the goats. Very healthy. Where? This is the place where the madugumo, urine for nini, for sungura comes. And here it's dawa for kahawa. They collect it here and nyunyuzia the kahawa. I don't know for what. I don't know for what. You know this place is washed every day, and you can see now it's at 10 and it's so dirty. You cow. You cow. Hello. You guy. Let me leave you. We also have another cow. Another cow. Hi. You're so full. Umeshiba? Umeshiba? Naona majani ni maji tu. Na kashumbe hapo. Ka salt for tasting. There are a lot of macadamia here. Macadamia. And some domas there. Some pawpaw. Pawpaw tree growing. This is the napier grass for the baby calf. Another road of napier grass. What's that? Now this is the farm for the kahawa. For the coffee farm. This is the smallest. We have another one the other side, a bigger one. Almost have an acre. But the season for the coffee is over. It is over.